Yes, guys, so I have something to tell you before we reach. This lady is my girlfriend. My girlfriend buy it for me, actually. Wouldn't you do that for your girlfriend? Oh!
Adeki boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lucky Boo, and today I will be going out with a friend and I will be provoking her. Basically, I'm going to let y'all know that she's my girlfriend, which she's not, obviously. Yes, so stay tuned to get her reaction and make sure y'all watch to the end of this video, because we're not only I'm not only gonna do the prank, I am going to be making some errands, yeah, and I would love for you guys to stay to the end. So like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell, and let's get into this.
Tag more available. Person. Oh yeah, the fit. That must be my favorite song. What you video me for? What you do video me? To break something. So my time, so in my house I always say I mash up the things then.
Oh, so that's why you come and work and talk about me?
No, but tell you what happened more time. Sometimes the things them are broke, right? And you saw me say I made the last person who got cut you, they broke off in my hand.
No, you understand.
And then them blame me. You know me start catch them back. But I'm gonna catch them back and make them broken at somebody else. Because they always accuse me.
Alright guys, so we're going to the airport to drop off
the invisible duck we're back away. You never see police.
They see them.
Yeah, they slow down.
They say. Yeah, so she's flying out. Oh my god.
So when we come back and you video me.
What? No, I'm not gonna video you when I come back. Remember you're going. Is this what would they know? What do you call this road?
It's one.
Okay, we're at Atlanta, Georgia. And that's the what's over there? That's where you carry all your cars, because you're gonna place cars over there. What else?
So you can like just can't come to you?
Oh, the roads in USA are so good.
What a time for you. And then my subscribers live?
Nah, I'm just bored.
Such a morning drive.
Yeah. You're not cold. Even fix my face.
Ooh, Speedy Gonzales!
Impossible police. Do you realize that we're both twinning?
Miss, you know, they come in and my man, I said, I'm going to say, I'm so about it, I got the people there. Oh, I don't think so, we are dying.
Like Julian awful. Well, you look like a freaking guy. Like,
Oh my god!
it's terrible.
You know what that was ring?
No, I'm gonna take no. I did my full research. It says it's best to leave it in one place, this type of piercing, until about 2 weeks. And but you just clean the area. Maybe I use what's some name? What's some name? I always forget it. Hydrogen peroxide. Them say don't use it because it actually dead the sell them, so the sell them now go farm back. So I'm gonna use saline solution.
Okay.
Yeah.
Salt and water.
Yeah. And so when this evening you say I'm gonna do it?
What?
Your piercing, you know it's piercing.
Girl, baby.
Yeah, she gonna do her nose piercing this evening. May I prepare her for it because it really hurts. So
Guys, I'm not going through a midlife crisis. Not at the moment.
so
Before I was going through one back in 2019, yes, when the time was really hot. Yes, the heat was getting to me, life was getting to me. But now, nah. If I didn't do it then, I'm not gonna do it now.
yay!
I love it in the noise piercing, not the one where make me look like not that one. The regular all-time fashion one, that's the one I love. The one that make it look like that is a damn cow. I like that one there.
I don't look like
That is her preference, but not mine.
yes.
Not bash her preference, but me not stop teasing her though.
I'm not even do my eyebrow, guys. I do my eyebrow yesterday at work.
That's before me went me a dream rubbish. Say, me I do my eyebrow. And then we go on a boat ride with some people. And all of a sudden them a chase me. And we are
Why you them?
I don't know the me I don't know about my dream.
I actually dream about my auntie.
You know nobody in my dream.
I'm going to put on my eyebrows. Yes. Oh God.
You're supposed to be my eyes on my eyes on the road.
Yeah. No, she a driver that tell me for me fear eyes on the road.
You
What?
put my eyes over there.
Over here. Yes, it's clear.
I don't come to town by myself really, you know.
You can just go in front of this truck. I'm afraid of trucking.
I want her to tell me to come and town by myself.
Driving?
One time, yeah. I think I will have a post.
You take?
No.
Oh.
You know about you talk by myself. Head office tell me every come to head office I'm going to go by myself.
You need to fix this mirror. I don't know how I'm supposed to see it like that. Girl!
But otherwise than that, anytime I go town, somebody have to do the same on me. These people are crazy. Some people are crazy. I need eyes. Yeah, I was going to my best friend and she was like, see what your one vehicle comes. You need to do your job.
I never yet go in one vehicle and have to tell people say, see one car coming.
Yeah, drive with a blind blood. Blind?
Blind black.
So if you want to reach home safely, my advice to you is to help me watch the road. No joke, guys. That's true. My blind some butter drive on the road, yeah? Especially when the sun. I cannot drive when the sun is out, and I cannot drive when it's night.
Wow.
Yes.
So when can you drive?
When there's no sun and there's
In
no
December
darkness.
time?
I'm okay when the sun gone down, and I'm not okay when the night comes. So, yeah.
Alright, this is smooth.
No, me can't drive at night, you know, if not other car not up on the road. Cause light them light are glaring on my eye. You know, so over here something say there.
Yeah, so put on your indicator. You can do it, Okay. Guys. Crazy.
I mean, get the glasses tend to help in some sort of way in terms of too much light in my eye, but it's still blind as a bat.
Sad.
Oh, my life is sad.
Me very
When me I go
sad like my makeup. Girl, are you say for 10?
I'm not me no know.
Oh, what is mommy dear Jesus?
Me see my baby father turn. Yes, me know where me I go. But in the parking lot over there, so.
Okay.
Me have sense when me I drive me look.
You might have sense. You have a lot of sense, ain't it, guys? Oh God.
Where the backside me I go now?
This is downtown Kingston now. So wait. You have sense?
Yes,
I don't have no sense.
I have sense.
I need
Also,
to
I
know.
say I can go back so when I time I can turn so. You say we park at the water house over that side. Water house bus stop. Alright, thanks.
Yes, guys, so I have something to tell you before we reach. This lady is my girlfriend. What you laugh for?
Where I get my joke for? Where was the house bus park there?
Oh, that one there. Taxi parking at that. I guess at that. Yeah.
Yeah, tell the people in my I said no. I mean 1 year
so
too.
she's my girlfriend. We've been proposed. Or what's it called? Engaged. Since 1983. Since 1983.
Whoa! That's like before my parents even think to conceive with.
Oh Lord.
No man. That means that we have so many long time.
Yeah.
You know,
Which part?
That's something there, I think. Guy.
Me can't turn in here, sir.
In this one? Pecan Street. No man.
Which part, so? In here, sir. Where me can drive?
So what? Them send we up here now. Well, guys, we arrived, and I'm gonna put up the camera until we're leaving because, yeah, I get one in.
Remember when I said don't let Decky Boo be your guide? She will lost you.
Jesus, I lie. What happened now?
She
What
went to
happened?
one fabric store, right?
What you
We
say?
go to the right place, you know. But then move, and the lady, she asked the lady in the direction, you know. Me not paying no mind, but me I listen. And the woman said, "Turn from West Queen Street and walk go down till you see it." The girl, me say, when we see West Queen Street, because one time I think she further up if we go in, and she said no other way. So I me follow the way. When I say West Queen Street, no, I say so West Queen Street there. Probably if we turn go down this, she said no, I straight. If we go straight, the girl near we got KPH.
That's a lot. Well,
yeah, we stop and ask for a market vendor. So I asked her market vendor, she said box, and I said, tell you, so West Queen, and there's a lady said,
and after so much walking, guys, when I look in my bag, no money. So
she took up one bag of 50 and 100 and think of money.
I couldn't buy the material, but we bought burger, of course, but I don't find the money to buy the burger. Yes, we bought box number 1 for the rich self.
With the broke self tomorrow.
My girlfriend buy it for me, actually.
When I don't make sure trick on it, yeah, many people don't think that we're about to girls for sure.
I joke, I bought it. But yeah, we're leaving now. We got something for someone, and we are just
I wish you
gonna
come
go home now. So the same place where you're coming.
No, she said me to come back, so.
You sure?
Yeah, I asked.
Okay.
You got to talk to her?
Alright, so yeah, just stay tuned to the end
Oh, I wish we meet
on our journey back.
No, I know it that way, then I go so.
Right. Follow your goats, don't follow me. You know me, stay already.
What time are you?
I just told you, 10:57. Everybody listen, yeah, focus on where you go.
Look how we are there.
Yeah.
You're not wrong, we have to put no bother.
Oh, so you go around?
Yeah.
One way that?
Yeah, I know. When they go on it's... Oh, my God, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah. You never think. Squash it. I thought you were squash it.
Me and Kingston on the 1-1 road.
This girl always say, I don't know where I'm going, and she don't know where she's going.
I don't know Kingston.
You don't know nowhere?
But you are carrying me places.
You don't know nowhere? Period. You don't know nowhere?
Yeah, me don't know nowhere.
We're going to the waterfront.
Hence why we should have. What waterfront? That's what I go.
I saw you go straight, yeah. Tell about them young girl here, you know?
We can't go straight, so?
Yes, who put up on road? You must can't go straight, and if you can't go straight, tell them we never know. Oh God. Yes. Oh yes. Wait.
We can't go straight because we can't them park.
Yeah. Okay.
How should we go?
Left. Right. Sorry.
Yes, we can
Ooh,
go.
we can walk on it. We're gonna have fun. We can sit over there. Oh yes. Yes. Oh, this is where Ribby's is. And
Glorious. I've been to Glorious
upstairs, Ribby's.
Yeah.
Yes. Are you so for real? And Deva knows something there over there, so
park.
you can park anywhere, yes, sir. I don't know why this. Yes, girl. You're a girl, guys. I'm the only girl up on my channel.
Oh, my park, but don't.
Also,
Go look at my corner.
I'm teaching a little girl here for the park.
You?
Me? And you teach me actually. So, guys, every day she give me her car to drive out for her at work. Yes, I'm a pro. You know, I'm a come on. Watch out, how can I park in this? Yeah, more over to your left. What you do now? Oh yeah. Yeah, continue. Yeah, continue.
You get me a chair park?
No. Everybody knows say once you're my friend, you're not no sense.
Oh, me look.
It'll look good, yeah. But you need to, you gotta go back straight and come round, so.
Huh?
Continue what you do. Yeah. 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 Alright, stop. And drive now. Drive. That should be good. Yeah. Stop. Guys. Yes, it's good. I taught this girl how to park. Yeah, man, it's good. Yes, I'm a good director, right? Alright, so we just have to pick up the food.
You're not a good.
What? Instructor?
In terms of driving the car.
Oh.
You show me where if you go. You lost my backside.
Don't let me leave anything, you know, because $1 million worth of goods deals.
I can't bother with you. I lock up the key. Before I lock the car, tell me if I'm smart. Enjoy.
Yeah, this is beautiful. I'm gonna take a swim, French. If only we could have swim. Go out, girl.
Let's take a picture of me. Okay, self.
I want a picture right at the waterfront with me and you.
Yes, yes.
Come. Where are you at today? Over there, sir? Guys, should I take a dive? Because the way they start come to the end. What if we fall off? Why?
Some people can't conceive it.
Okay, we're gonna have our BK now. She using my good up, I cool water.
With that road, I don't have no pipe.
Oh my God!
So
why you never put your hand in the sea?
Why you not jump in there? Come with that hand.
Sure. Alright, take time.
She only wash one hand, guys.
Not a liar. Sure. Take a picture of your eat. Thank you.
Oh God, it's good.
Oh yeah,
It's
pray.
looking for-
God is good, God is great. Let us thank you for our food. Amen. Now when you don't put your fries in your mouth, I pray. Anyways, well, let's take the picture of you eating because it's gonna be on the thumbnail as well.
Yeah.
Hold on. Wait, we're not going up picture. We see a boat, guys. Guys, wanna just subscribe to the channel, watch the video, watch the ads them so that we can go on some boat rides in a bikini. I look sexy. Right through.
And number one this.
Wait, mama, no matter with it. This don't look like number. Pull it.
Why?
Pull it, please.
Why do things them get expensive?
Oh, it looks so flat. No, this can't right.
Things that look so expensive. Things that get so
It looks
expensive when
flatter.
you're small.
Check,
When it
pull
is
it.
cheap, it is no. No. I'll show number one this.
A number one, but why it looks so? Number one fat.
But there's something I want a Burger King, you know. You force me to buy Burger King.
It nice?
I'm gonna go do it too.
Alright, we're gonna take the picture now. Look at mine. Mine bigger.
Give me back my burger.
This is number one. I get a roll out of bread. And you.
That is what you get when you trouble me. We are fishing over there. You can move that video. Zoom it up. People don't know what's going on video.
Take a picture of me. Alright guys, question. Does your hair make you beautiful?
No.
Does it define your beauty?
Yeah, some people wear short hair and them look good. They're rocking that shit. While
Look
some,
at her.
While some don't. Yeah, some people will wear long hair and they're beautiful. And likewise, some of them will wear long hair, they don't look good.
Right.
So no one can define your beauty. Beauty comes from within.
I know I'm beautiful. With or without my hair.
Can be beautiful on the outside and ugly on the inside.
I can beautiful on the inside. But
You're beautiful on the inside, you're beautiful show out.
oh, that's true. So me I eat off before you?
Are you damn craving?
No, I'm a little burger. Oh, the sea sounds so nice. You hear
Open
that,
your
man?
ear, me I go clap in there every day now. Man, what? It's up in there now. Bye, let us say bye-bye.
Come, you can't swim?
Oh!
Would I ask you for jumping there for me? Wouldn't you do that for your girlfriend?
You never know your name, Amri or Nadia.
That's our kids.
Why them jump in there? The tree, we are jumping there.
Them put a lot of me on this, man. Where fly go?
I'm ready.
Hello, fly, move your bum. You touch my burger, me near.
So, the real girls on this or something? Hey, that shit deep, you know? So what that bubble?
Bubble? Bubble, what that bubble?
See bubble and come up here, see?
Where? Oh! Yeah. Wanna check? Where's that? Me for jump off. Are you one or all these me now? They can't jump. This is a vibe, man.
The current they can't carry me with.
The current.
Me drop in there, me do. I know you don't listen.
But it look at how we been over like what it back that. That's Yes, guys, this is one of the most beautiful places I've seen in Jamaica. Yeah? Like, hold on. I don't want to fly away now. I have to make sure catch it. Catch it at a lie. Eh? Catch it at a lie. You done with them, yeah? So I'm for leave. But now I put my foot nowhere.
I mean, I said, if I jump in there, I'm going to my friend over here, so.
You can't swim by the way for drop in there? Eh? Show them how you gonna swim. How you do crawl?
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh, that's
This
is beautiful. If I only could have swim, you let me just chuck off. And look. You were swimmers. If you can swim, diving. There's a difference between swimming and diving, you know. Just because you can't swim, that means you're a diver. So, we're done enjoying this atmosphere. I try to drink up my water now. Maybe up here. Oh, yes, I forgot to do that. But yeah, man, you know how much we eat? 150, yeah? Yeah?
I use more sense. I want to know what. You don't video me?
Yeah, time. So my girlfriend is sleeping over.
Stop telling people them rubbish.
I'm kidding, guys.
I mean, I believe it for true.
They're not gonna believe. They know me. Don't you know me?
No, you know, pierce your nose like one batty girl.
Jesus Christ. And a batty girl piercing. Man do it too. Woman do it. And the man name, well.
And I get into it.
I don't know. I wasn't aware of that before I did it, so I just do it because I like.
You must do your studies.
Okay. Next time. Intimacy, I'm like, me gonna do. Right now, I decide to pierce my lip. Inside, I do. Me not go back that route there. If me pierce anywhere again, I'm gonna do my ear. Just the top part of my ear. My tongue? Why would I do that?
Yeah, Melissa, I know we can't hear you.
Melissa already. What are we on?
I don't know if I know the way.
Can you a driver?
Because me can't drive, means I'm a driver.
You're going left then. You know here, so if you don't know here, so you need to go home. Because I hear so you drive come. Remember? Out this actually.
Oh, mega man.
Who is that? The workers of Jamaica who struggled in 1938. The nation salutes you. Oh my God, thank you.
Oh, let me go. Oh, I my people.
I mean, but whatever.
We go all at once.
You think that everybody drive one time?
I don't drive one time.
You want to collide? From left, right, and center? Okay, this is out of town, guys. Going back to our homes, to civilization.
Tell me, all I'm a temporary to drop her back our yard.
Alright, let me check.
2 minutes ago, when the drive off was 11:26. No. When we walk off, it was 11:26.
28 now. 2 minutes ago for it.
Yeah.
Alright.
I don't go far with that.
Guys, we'll catch you back when we reach home to my home and see how long this lady take for drive. I know about the speed with me, I kill me up. Alright.
Yeah, give your man.
101 now and we're still on the toll. My God! My goodness! Oh my God!
What time is it now?
34.
Alright, not even 10 minutes. Wait, let me speed.
Yes! This is the fastest she ever drive, guys.
Heck no, this is the slowest. And I'm because the bus is in my way. Now I'm getting too much speed for the bus. You have to give yourself a little room, you get me?
Look how far the bus there, guys.
Suppose the bus make a sudden break.
Alright.
Yeah, but may I go fast enough? And if the bus make a sudden break,
Right,
so what me I talk about?
Jesus, my nigga.
That's what me I talk about. I'm going
Yeah.
fast and you just drive up in my way. If me make a sudden break when you're in the city, you're gone. So you need to give yourself room to
Yeah.
try your brakes. Sudden brakes are nice.
What you just say?
You want me to go back road?
Go to what?
Yeah.
She asked me if she was going to my workplace. No, I'm not work on a Saturday.
I mean, Saturday,
Yeah, back road to where I'm go. I'm not go today. My call it sick.
I choose the workplace. Tell Trudy.
Yeah, man, need to put a video. May I make sure she watch it.
Are you there, sir?
And she said,
Trudy? And she always said me say, you say, you got back road.
yeah, she always talk about back road. They tell me I start from morning. She talk about back road. Wow, look how them fix up the road. And you so see patrol. Just wait.
I told you can't up on that road, yeah, man.
Not on the road here.
Oh. Exiting the toll. What time you exit the toll, girl? What time is it now? Chat to me. Chat to me nice.
53. I drove 38.
10 minutes, girl. Chat to me nice.
Sure.
10 minutes, look at reach up Portmore. From waterfront. Chat to me nice.
I could do 5.
Bite me. I could even do 1.
Oh, God.
Not even 1, 20. You know, I gave you to drive on it 12.
But yeah, when I feel like give me what tag they didn't.
Yeah, I remember. Alright, 10:38, how long take for reach yesterday? Yeah, no. Alright guys, I'm doing this video. I am home and it's not even 1 hour yet since I left Kingston. So in my own rights, I'm a shutter driver. I reached my yard from Kingston in less than an hour. Less than an hour is what I know. I think it was 12:10 and we left 11:28. Yeah.